This is my old job site gang box when I had my own business, construction business years ago. It's been outside in the backyard for probably 10 years without moving. I have a set of wheels for it on there also. So what I think I'll do is take this gang box, sand down all this rust on it, and paint it the same color as a bus. I have my daughter make some decals across where it says job site. We'll put ditch in town. Maybe a dark green in the bottom and a light green on top. Or maybe the whole thing a light green and black trim pieces. I don't know, we'll see. Not too sure yet. So watch us take this gang box from old and rusty to new and pretty in this video. Okay, so I got rough sand on it. Just a wire brush to the bottom half. I'm gonna throw the wheels on, turn over, and sand a little more that way. Good morning. Okay, today I'm working on the workbench gang box. What I would do, I have this one made up. I got it just tacked in place. I'll take that one there, I got made up, tacked in place, bolted on the back side. And then I'm taking some 3/4 inch plywood and doubling it up and gluing it together so it's 1.5 inches thick and make me a nice big workbench. Just come out just a little bit, have a nice big piece of plywood on here. This here will be the same thing. I'll make it, but I'll probably make my vise mount here. I'll probably get a nice big vise. And that'll be a nice little, my outside work garage or workbench or work table. As I'm doing these projects, I can roll this out in the driveway, do what I gotta do. I get done, I can roll it back in and go from there. There it is. Got some touch-ups. I'll hit it here again. I'll weld those back up, fill them in, fill those in, grind them off. I'll work this corner a little bit. I gotta fill in here. Oh, I didn't grind this off. Okay. Then I grind this off. Right there and there. And do that next. Once I get those ground off, I might paint it. Oh, no, I can't. I have no primer. Yep, I ran out of primer. I have that Kim Bond, but that stuff's a mess to work with. That really needs to be sprayed to make it look good, I think. And I don't have the equipment to spray yet. So I'll grind this up, get this looking really good. And then tomorrow around town, I'll grab some primer. Good afternoon. What a nice day out today. We got the sun finally. So if you've been following around, or if you've been following along with this channel and the progress we're doing, you may remember me using this Kim Bond. I used this to prime the deck before I did my handrails. Very beginning. And I wasn't a big fan of it. It looked terrible. Well, I think I know I'm doing wrong. I think I wasn't thinning it right, and I think it was too hot. So since I went to the hardware store today and forgot to get primer, I think I'll be using that Kim Bond to paint this frame. I'll thin her down. I'll paint her up. I may even paint the whole game box with that Kim Bond. And we'll see how it goes. Might be good, might be a mistake. We'll let you know. We'll definitely let you know. So I use that Kim Bond, and I actually thinned down some acetone. Did a pretty good job. I used a 3/8" nap roller, a foam roller, and I rolled it on. And I'm a lot happier with it than I was last time. And here is the brackets I built. So definitely the roller works better than the brush. The brush I had, which is a good brush. It's a Rooster brush. So it's a decent quality brush. It just puts lines in it. See if you can see. Especially here, you can see the lines up through here. I'm not a big fan of that. The game box itself, when I rolled it, there's no lines. So I wish I would actually rolled that with the foam roller, but that's all right. What I'll do is I'll sand down the light stuff that I see. A lot of stuff you won't see. It'll be on the countertops. So I'll just go and sand down what you see, and I'll go and start painting tomorrow probably. Good afternoon. Today we are painting the box. I started painting and forgot to grab you guys, so I'll put you on time lapse, or I'll put you on the camera here. Let's see what we're doing. Good morning. Today we are painting the bracket for the gang box. Now I'm using this hammered Rust-Oleum paint. It may try to hide a little bit of my flaws too, but I had it left over from a different project, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, I got 2 coats of this paint on this workbench top. Just a couple rough coats. I got 1 coat on this. I'm trying to get this second coat tonight, and then I'm done the painting. We'll leave it the way it is. Just the workbench. It's not bad. I just brushed it. I didn't roll it. I could have rolled it and sanded between coats and made it smooth, but I just brushed it. Never sanded between coats. The paint's got a lot of chunkies in it. I think it's starting to go bad, or it is bad, but hopefully it doesn't fall off. There it is. Maybe tomorrow we'll get the thing put together. The box outside is still a little wet. It's been drying for 3 days. We'll see. Okay, we are back in the garage today. Today's project is, let's put the top on the gang box. So we got everything painted this weekend. We've got a coat of primer, 2 coats of cabinet paint. We've got 2 coats of hammered Rust-Oleum paint on that, and a coat of, I don't know, Sherwin-Williams paint. The same exact paint we use on the bus. There it is. There's my rolling workbench. Let me blow this thing off and clean it off here. Okay, this is my rolling workbench. I am finally finished. Got some big locks I can lock in. I can lock everything up. I like it. Well guys, this is it for this project. All I gotta do is put the locks in, and I gotta buy new locks for that, or at least find the keys.